Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to buy gold on MiniPay. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. Gold is the tokenized version of physical gold. Each gold token is backed by 1 Troy Oz of real gold. You can use MiniPay to buy and sell gold anytime, with every purchase stored securely in your MiniPay wallet. To buy gold, open the MiniPay app and log in to your account. Tap on Apps at the bottom right. Scroll down and tap on Buy Gold. Tap on Get Started. Tap on Next. Toggle Buy Gold at the top, then enter the amount you want to buy. You should have enough USDT in your wallet before you can be able to buy gold. You can go back to the main screen to buy or deposit USDT so you can be able to buy and sell gold. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.